Hey guys, it's another video with me trading the New York session. I'm just gonna start from the daily. So for this past couple of days, I haven't been trading because Christmas is coming up soon, and I don't want to like really. I don't trust the price action. That matter, I don't trust myself. So I didn't want to blow any unnecessary accounts for any trouble, and I just preserved capital, right? So today is Christmas Eve, and I plan on trading. I plan on looking for a trade. I'm not gonna force one, but I plan on looking for one because we had pretty decent price action the past few days that I wasn't trading. So I was like, let me just look for one, and if I don't find one, I don't find one. So um, daily bias is kind of bullish. I want to see us ultimately take these highs and continue back up to take out all-time high, and then just continue up and up and up. That's the bias. So I feel like we have no draw to like continue lower because we already tapped into that 0.62 zone and we touched discount zone before coming up higher. We didn't sweep that though because that'd be too low, too down low in premium. So we just had a little retrace, came back up. Now I also said in my previous video that I don't mind us like if we do come down and tap this 0.32 zone like as a little retrace, something like boom, 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 boom. I don't mind it, right? that I could be looking for that, right? So I don't know if I'm gonna be looking for that on the day, but I feel like I would want some like high time frame like liquidity to be swept for me to be able to like look for that. You know, it's pretty far away. It's like 300 points away. So I don't know if we will get that type of price action. Like considering today, let me see, like so today is the 24th, and we have unemployment. I mean, we had unemployment claims at 8:30, so no really much news for the rest of the day. So let's just continue with what we got. We tapped the new week opening gap right there. Continue higher, of course. Today we swept our previous day high already. So let me just see if there's like any long-term highs and gaps that we may have like retraced into or can manipulate to before going lower. So there is a 4 hour right here that is about 60 points away. We can manipulate up to that. So we can get something like maybe this, or like this. Either or. I don't want to trade the manipulation though, because it'll be kind of unsafe and too risky. Um, there is a gap right here. Forgot to mention that. There's a gap right here that I feel like we are gonna manipulate that. I'm pretty sure of because it's pretty close by, and then there's also stacked lows beneath it as well. So that's a very highly point of manipulation. I want to see a sweep here. So, and for right now, we don't have the draw to go lower, so I feel like we're gonna sweep tap this spin, go up and tap that. So most likely this will work. But to be fair, yeah, we're probably gonna sweep that first and go lower. I mean, yeah, market is about to open, so I might want to like cash the long back up. So I'll probably enter like on a retrace inside my like my model. So I'd wait until displacement candles form, on the lower time frame, and then we'll just see. Honestly, I want to be looking for S&Ts again, so let me just pull up ES on the side. I haven't used ES in a while. Okay, what the hell is this present? Holy hell. Oh, interesting. So, oh, that's perfect. Yep, we got an S&T on the highs anyways, so we literally just swept highs. So I think I'll be taking that long the second we sweep those lows, tap into that gap, then I'll look for entry. Perfectly lined up. So I'm thinking, like, I recently did just get a new combine, so I'm gonna be trading the combine to can break out the Express because I'm pretty close to draw down my Express, and I don't want to like blow it completely yet. So I want to catch like really good setups before then. So I'll wait till these lows get swept, and then take it from there. I think I would want to see a low get taken out internally. Let's like draw the fib to see where it can retrace to. Swing low. Yeah. The swing high. There to right there. So yeah, it could tap to the 0.32 zone. That's a really good level. Put that out there. Potential entry level. So yeah, I got my setup. Looks like we're about to get that sweep right now. I should really get ready and set my limit. The level's at 25,761. 25,761. MNQ, I'm gonna do 5 contracts. Alright, so we got 2 minutes to market open and let us see what's gonna happen. Stop will possibly be at these lows right here. So I'll catch something like this, like 20, 21 stop. And I'll target the highs. Very simple setup. So to review our confluence is S&T on the highs. We wanted to see that sweep anyways before we move lower to tap this gap. We have stack lows right here that we want to get taken out. We have a 4 hour rally gap right here that we want to retrace into. And the point we drew the fib to see premium and discount balance, and we see that the 0.32 zone is closest and remains contains balance before moving up. We don't want to see price come all the way down here because, but it is a high time from S&T, so it's possible for my stop loss to get ran through and come all the way down here, but that is something I don't want to see. And there are value gaps on here too, but I think it would be safest for me to like wait for the so I don't like having let's just trust in here. Let's see what happens. We'll pray and hope for the best. We have a reasoning. I'm just gonna wait until this works or it doesn't. So market open. It's not really manipulating anything right now. If you want to see the come over, tap me in. See higher. So I guess it's swept this like into the low time frame right there. Yeah, it did. There was like stack highs in the 1 minute. So we want to see it come down, sweep these lows, and see back up. But I feel like it can drop hell. Let me see how far does this S&T go to. Is it, is it a daily S&T? No, it's a 4 hour S&T. Jeez. That could possibly be bad news because high time frame S&Ts usually go for like a while. Like it may just drop all the way down here. So what would be the safest bet? To take the short? Maybe after the sweep? But there is a 4 hour gap there. It can really do either one. Oh, plus the candle has to close too on the 4 hour for it to be valid. That's true. So it's really just a 15-minute S&T. Right now, it's not really doing much. Um, yeah, I'm gonna take like two setups today at most. That's what I usually do. And I'll probably take it like towards maybe after 10. If I don't see it set up at 10, I'll wait till 10:30. Then after 10:30, 10:50, then 10:50 is the last point. So I keep my mental. I should listen to me. Keeps me focused away. Great. So this works out. Just a 4 hour. Hmm. Oh, looks like we're going up. Oh, but it still has a T. So yeah, I feel like I'm not talking much. Um, right now, this is how it looks like. Like it's really just choppy as hell right now. So I don't know what to really say on that. Cause like I didn't. That's what I really expected. Choppy price action. You know, Loki just have to wait till her edge gets tapped in. But it's looking like this S&T is getting invalidated in a way. Actually, no, it made a new S&T. That's so weird. It's just saying that, oh, it wants to go down, to go down. If you want to go down, go down. I'm just scared that, like, maybe if it, like, retraces perfectly, right, goes up, it doesn't go up to here, but it, like, stops midway to retrace back into the zone in a way, you know? So I don't know yet to draw the fit. Because it is possible, like, I feel like once it gets out of this value gap, I'll just go break even and then maybe trail stop loss. That'll be the safest route. So I guess you just go with that then. Jesus, I just pray I'm right with this. Oh yeah, let me like make sure. So I wanted to see price come down and go back up, touch this gap, go from the gap straight down. But it can continue up. That's one thing. I know we're bullish overall, but I'm just like predicting trades instead of like actually taking them. So just consolidating on this. I think 10 o'clock is when it makes a new candle. Yeah. So we'll probably see us getting tapped in around 10. It's only been 10 minutes since market open. I wonder if people are trading this. Because like there's literally nothing to go off of. I even wanna like look at this, huh? Jesus, man. uh, since the year is ending, like I just know that I have a lot of goals set for the next year. I feel like I use 2025 to really learn how to trade, train my mental, train my psychology, train my like follow my rules and stuff, right? Like 2026 is gonna just be straight execution, straight making it happen, the results, you know. So this is all a part of my journey. I feel like I'm gonna look back at these videos and just see how far I really came because I feel like through my life I didn't really like keep track of how I truly live my life. So I feel like this year really changed my mindset on that, like to really learn to keep track of the journey because once you have money and all that, you've already like made it. So what is there else to achieve, And it's just kind of I guess why that's why people say like, oh yeah, money doesn't bring happiness because like the journey to get there is what really makes it what it is. So I'm just glad I'm bold enough and transparent enough to like record these videos with my face and everything because it makes me like actually want something and actually like strive for something that I didn't even know I was capable of. But here I am. So just wanted to get that off my chest. Sorry for rambling. Uh, looks like ES is taking like looks like ES is deleting the next right now. Just banging right now. But imagine if it makes it S&T on the low. Like if MQ like sweeps this, taps me in, and then it just builds up. God, I'm insane. Like it's so crazy because like I really understand how trading works. Like it's just I was explaining to my friend once, like let's say you're looking at a box, right? And you want to like you see the box that goes like how do I explain this? Like there's four corners, right? And it's just like orbiting or like continuously going in a line like this. Top, down, left, up, top. And then within that box there's another box, right? And another box. Those are different time frames, right? It's just how smaller. It's just the same box, but just like in a smaller version, just very detailed. So this could be like the daily, like the main, like then this that box inside of it could be like a 4 hour with like detailed version of the daily, and then inside that 4 hour, it's just a detailed version of the hourly. Inside that 1 hour, 50, 55, so on and so forth, right? So you just keep looking for a model you make yourself on a smaller time frame. Because on the daily, you can find the same model, right? And if you find the same model, just go on the 4 hour. Make sure you find that same model within the 4 hour. Go on the 1 hour. Same. Like I always start from the daily, right? To see if like any buys I got taken or anything, or sells I got taken, right? I just mark those out. Mark previous day high, previous day low. I didn't mark it here because previous day low,
previous hair was already taken right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here. Right there, right? That's sweet right there. So, yeah, it's taken right there. So, we're just honestly like looking for a model. So, my model, I trade retracements, right? So, I usually wait until like, let's say if a value gap is made, right, and it's bullish or bearish. So, if I'm trying to find a long position, I look for bearish displacement gaps. And if I'm trying to find a bullish, a long or a short, I mean, I look for a bullish displacement gaps, just the opposite, right? So what I do when I find that bullish gaps, like it first has to align with the whole narrative. Like I don't, I'm like aligning with like either swept liquidity or something, or anything. So I wish I could show an example, but actually let me just show one real quick. Um, I think only 15 minutes. Okay, it's kind of bad example, but something like this, right? If I want to go short here, right? Cash it short. I'll just draw this rally gap right here. See bullish engulfing displacement candle, right? Goes through, and then this bearish one comes through, right? So I would wait for the retracement back into that gap, which is literally right there, and then that's how I would be taking those sleek entries. But it rarely happens down, and I'll like place like a 10-point stop or something. Well, or at the previous high, just target like a low, like that. Those used to be the trades I take, but I stopped taking those trades because like I feel like I was like forcing it a bit, and I wasn't really looking for it. Like you see this happen on the 15 minute, like I would look for those type of trades on the 1 minute, and I wasn't really patient. So that's why I started like stop looking for those trades. But that's pretty much it. But right now, I'm just trading off levels. I'm trying to learn like a new type of strategy that I can implement with my current strategy in a way. But right now, I'm just trading whatever I can find and that fits properly. But yeah. Okay, now for the macro in like 2 minutes. I feel like I should wait for the bearish displacement, but because like lately it's been happening. It would just make like one bearish and then one bullish, no gaps in between. I just miss entry. So that's why I'm about to just enter, have a stop loss, and then if it does make like my retracement entry, I'll probably re-enter for more like position. So yeah, that'll be the thing. Go for it. I just didn't let it enter from here. I don't even think it's possible. That'd be insane. Jesus, man. See, I hate trading this type of price action. It's dreadful. Holy, bro. 950 macro. What are you gonna do? Good card. Yo, what the? Like, if it wants to make the SOT, go ahead. Just know that in this time, before it goes on. If I were to leave a runner, that, how many additional points is that? 50? Like, if I take 4 off here and leave 1. I can. We'll see. It's low-key cool. Yeah, I know y'all probably can't even see my face for real because the lighting in my room is kind of weird. I'm using my laptop webcam to record this. Oh, it's taking long, isn't it? Jeez.
10:15 back. Just went higher, I guess. Just consolidate some more. Oh Lord, bro. 10 o'clock? Alright, bro, it's gotta go down now. Jesus. I'm gonna just wait till 10:50. If I don't find a trade, so then I'm off. Uh, Preserve capital for the rest of the year, I guess. It's definitely not traded so long. I'll probably maybe look at the charts next week, but not trading on the 31st or the 1st. I'll look on the 29th and 30th, but I'll probably be busy though. We'll see though. We'll see.
S&T. Holy bro. It's looking like I'm probably gonna like call it quits because like it's just I don't wanna like keep y'all bored in this video because I know I'd probably like click off right now, but like because like can you really say for this consolidation? Like I guess that's why people go live instead of like recording videos. But you gotta start from somewhere, you know. So I'm just doing this to like keep record. But if I were to, yeah, not bad. I had to do something real quick. But it's like this SMT honestly got invalidated, so just gonna exit up. Um, and I'm still like on the idea that price wants to go down here, tap the gap, you know. But I don't think it'll be safe to like set a limit. I think it'll be like more safer to just find that bearish gap entry, like my retracement entry. So I'll just wait till it comes down. Or I can trade the way down, that's another thing. Instead of like waiting. So yes. So we literally just swept this high, right? My draw liquidity is that low, right? So we obviously want to see price close relief here. So, the 1 minute there's no gaps, but the 30-second might have some. I mean, these could be used as gaps, like tap it back into the 3.2 zone. That could be a gap, you know. Holy. Unless it just wants to go up forever. That's another thing. It's true. So let's just see. It's like price came up, swept that high, went down, swept those internal lows, but not that low. They came up, swept the high again. Oh, it did create a gap right here, 15 minutes. It's on the 5 minutes one. Okay. It's just no 1 minute. So it's gonna be like a slow game. Okay. So we know that this fits a mini cap. So we want to inverse. I might enter on the 5 minutes. So guess we're just waiting for like a low to be put in. Wait for this to get inversed. Feels like it just wants to keep going forever and ever and ever. Plus, this is a bad time to even trade anyways. 10:30 is always ideal to wait. If I don't find nothing at 10:30, it's 10:50, nothing at 10:50. So
Need to close. Closes in a minute. Alright, where's the 15-minute CE actually? Oh, I need to close, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's looking like it's gonna go higher. It's going down. Inversing this 5 minutes. It's not a good time to trade. It's only 16 points. We might tap this and go higher. Probably even sweep it. Oh, definitely. Fits a benefit like I just got it validated. But not on the. Oh yes, yeah. On NQ, yes. GG's. It's falling pretty fast. Wait, could this be like? No, it's a T. 'Cause there's no gaps. You can't really enter on the front. There's no BPR. Just see what it does. It's BPR here though. I mean, if it's closed. 1030 Mac fits. Like in 5 minutes, if we could tap into here, continue lower to my original entry, that would be nice. Might be taking a short right here. Drop at that high. I'm gonna take that trade. Yeah. Fits with 1030 macro. Oh shoot, did I just miss it? Oh my gosh. GG's. Yeah, I didn't get filled. 822. Damn, that was perfect. Mhm. Mhm. I don't know if I should keep my limit here because if I don't look here, I wouldn't look you want it to come back up. Yeah, like that. I just wanted to like look, you just go down. Well, if I missed it, I missed it. Oh, it's looking like a zero drawdown trade right there. I'd go break even here. Damn, I look, you missed that. I don't know if I want to find another entry. To go tap again. It's possible, but it's too risky, bro. I wouldn't want it to tap again if I was in it. So, but if it does tap again, that means it's probably just gonna continue that way. This could be a level 0.55.
You can't make this up. It's almost 10:50. Goddamn. So yeah, I probably wouldn't even be in this train no more because like it's too damn choppy, bro. Just stop for the day. I'll wait till 10:50 see what happens. Right now, I highly doubt everybody found a trade today because this is the price action. 50 points. 50, bro. There's no way someone found a trade. And if you did, it's low key gambling, bro. Because there's nothing to really go off of, bro. Nothing swept. Like, you can't really say swept that low, target that. Nah. We'd have to sweep this low to track that. That would even make any sense. Honestly. Kind of glad I didn't take any trades. I know it was looking just a waiting game the whole entire day. It's kind of crazy. And it could still go down from here. Just too damn choppy.
This is looking like might be wraps for
Yeah, too choppy. We literally have 2 minutes till it's called 10:50 macro, and it completely just inverses PPR. Um, Glad I waited for my entry, stayed patient. And yeah, just wait this 1 minute out and just see what happens.
I feel like me listening to music like keeps me like what's it called disciplined, not to force trades. You know, not to just go off like oh I think this is gonna go off what the facts is. That's why I really like listening to music or I trade now. It helps. Uh, 1050 macro. Let's see if it goes up or down. Choppy on here. No, it's not right. There's no gaps here, no gaps here, nothing there. Like it's not worth. I might just call it quits. Allow me to trade today. Thank you, Lord, for granting me the spirit of patience. Thank you, Lord, for allowing me to remain and have wisdom. Thank you, Lord, for not allowing me to force any change. Thank you, Lord, for answering Jesus. Pray, man. Alright. Y'all stay blessed, man. Y'all have a good day.